Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. This video is on multiverse or parallel universe, so I hope you will like the video. Multiverse or parallel universe. The multiverse is a hypothetical group of multiple universes. Together, these universes comprises everything that exists, the entirety of space, time, matter, energy, information, and the physical laws and constants that describe them. The different universes within the multiverse are called parallel universes, other universes, alternate universes, or many worlds. In quantum mechanics, parallel universe is theorized as existing alongside our own, although undetectable. Search for evidence. Around 2010, scientists such as Stephen Feeney analyzed WMAP, Wilkinson microwave, and Stropy probe data and claimed to find evidence suggesting that our universe collided with another parallel universe in the distant past. However, a more thorough research and analysis of the data from the WMAP and Planck satellite, which has a resolution 3 times higher than the WMAP, did not reveal any statistically significant evidence of such a bubble universe. In addition, there was no evidence of any gravitational pull of other universes on our. The American theoretical physicist and string theorist Brian Greene discussed 9 types of multiverse in his book The Hidden Reality, published in 2011. According to him, there are 9 types of multiverse: quilted multiverse, ultimate multiverse, holographic, simulated, quantum, landscape, cyclic, brane, and inflationary multiverse. A team of astrophysicists based in Australia and England has uncovered evidence that the laws of physics are different in different parts of universes. NASA has found evidence for the existence of parallel universe. Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna, shortly as ANITA. Basically, ANITA is a large balloon about 35 kilometers above the surface of the Earth. As its name suggests, it is situated over Antarctica. It is a detector designed to look for particles known as neutrinos coming from the outer space. Neutrinos are very unreactive particles. Scientists say that millions of neutrinos passing through every square centimeter of our skin. ANITA was put above Antarctica to study neutrinos coming from high energy events occurring in outer space. But ANITA spotted a couple of neutrinos coming from below through the Earth and up to ANITA. One possible explanation of this is that a parallel universe exists where time runs backward, and these neutrinos coming through the Earth are from outer space running backward in time. This is only hypothesis, not thoroughly developed. So friends, this is for today. Hope you'll like it. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.